The world is moving fast. It's important to start now with digitalization. We have everything available which is possible to use in production to keep up in the global competition, in the global race, and those who start early will persist. Automation of the future must be defined by software. We have to think in services. Machines are providing services. They have to cooperate with humans. AI technologies will make machines more human compatible. We have new human-machine interfaces. The machines will be flexible, they will provide skills and can cooperate better in the future. We have developed open source modules which can be used by industry, and we are going now to industry. We are doing first projects where we are incorporating our technology, our open source software we have provided into real industrial applications. One of the foundational principles we are using is the digital twin. The digital twin is the whole of the digital representation of physical assets. For example, a machine, we can validate the physical behavior of the machine towards the theoretical one, so that we know when there are issues with the machine. And also when we are wanting to commission a machine in an environment, in a system integration, the digital twin brings all information which is necessary to program. So all this integration is done by itself. It does not need so much manual work anymore, but it's very flexible, self-controlling in the end, and smart. The way towards a smart factory has not to be done only in one step. You can start at very small steps. It's starting with the preparation of the data, the integration of the machines, and we have developed an architecture which is the future of the smart factory, which is a far future, and you can start at any point in this architecture and have it as a roadmap.